The most abundant protein in the body is collagen that plays a central role in tissue health. Its tough, resilient fibers form a scaffold that supports your tissues and glues your cells together. Collagen is an important component of connective tissues such as tendons, cartilage, and bone, and also makes up scar tissue. Your body relies on several nutrients from your diet to produce collagen, including a number of essential minerals. Manganese. Manganese supports healthy collagen production. Collagen protein contains proline, an amino acid that helps give collagen fibers their shape, and manganese activates enzymes that your cells use to make proline. Your diet should include a small amount of manganese daily. The Institute of Medicine recommends 1.8 mg for women and 2.3 mg for men. Brown rice, pecans, and green tea all help you reach your intake goal. Copper. Copper also plays a role in collagen production. It activates an enzyme called lysyl oxidase that's required for collagen maturation. Active lysyl oxidase crosslinks collagen fibers with other supportive fibers, helping to form the scaffold that supports your tissues. Because of its role in collagen production, copper keeps your bones, heart, and blood vessels healthy. You should consume 900 micrograms of copper daily, advises the Institute of Medicine. Cashews, oysters, crab, and sunflower seeds all contain considerable amounts of copper, and a serving of beef liver provides your entire recommended daily intake. Ginseng. The anti-aging effects of the Panax ginseng plant are well documented. Ginseng is absorbed into the skin without causing the adverse reactions that many chemical pharmaceuticals cause, and helps skin keep its original shape. It has also been found to promote the growth of collagen. Studies have shown ginseng's ability to preserve skin against UVB ray damage from the sun. The antioxidants that are released into your bloodstream when you take a ginseng supplement or drink tea that contains ginseng can protect healthy cells and contribute to glowing skin. Zinc. Consume zinc to support healthy collagen production. It serves as a cofactor for collagen production, which means that it activates proteins essential for collagen synthesis. It also activates a protein called collagenase that allows your cells to remodel collagen during wound healing. The Institute of Medicine recommends 11 mg of zinc daily for men and 8 for women. Add oysters, poultry, meat, cashews, almonds, and dairy products to your diet to help you meet this goal. Cilantro, also known as coriander leaf, is an herb commonly called for in recipes. It contains vitamin C, which has been linked to boosts in collagen production. Cilantro contains linolenic acid, which has been studied as a powerful anti-aging factor for your skin. Linolenic acid contains antioxidants that fight the free radicals in your bloodstream, which break down healthy skin cells. Cilantro extract can be purchased and taken orally as a detoxifying agent. Meal ideas. Combine ingredients rich in copper, manganese, and zinc to support healthy collagen production. Mix pecans, cashews, and almonds for a mineral-packed snack, or make almond-crusted meat by using crushed almonds as a coating for baked chicken or turkey breast. Make sure to include vegetables and fruits in your meals for healthy collagen. Produce contains vitamin C, which also aids in collagen production. A spinach and red pepper salad topped with steamed oysters and roasted cashews makes for a hearty lunch that also keeps your collagen production healthy.